I'm gonna keep my hairline natural, but I'm also gonna do another video on how to do it, okay? So make sure to check that out. But right now, I'm just gonna do the hooks. So check it out. I'm gonna use the Andes, the Slimline Pros, or the Slimline Li, something like that. But it's from Andes. I'm gonna brush my hairs down like that. And I'm gonna try to keep it as natural as possible. I don't wanna go too deep into my hair because then it'll grow funny. So try to keep it natural, as close to your face as possible, all right? Now for the finishing touches, I'm gonna take the cape off and make sure I don't have any neck hairs. Alright, and just like that, you have a low bald fade with long hair on the top. Alright, I like it slicked back. I can also do different styles with this hair on the top because it's long enough for it. You can do this look for a long time, you know, like you can do this haircut until like the top of it is super long, and then I have a video on how to trim the top of it as well. But I prefer to get it done with a barber because they trim it a lot better, you know, on the top. Even fades too, like fades are a lot easier to get them done with somebody else, you know. But if you want to save money, or if you don't like the way your barber fades you up, try it yourself, you know. I've been doing it for over 10 years, you know, since I was 12 years old, okay? So I even like how it like dangles like that, you know what I'm saying? It's like a Superman kind of look, you know? All right, so check it out. This is the finished product. I'm pretty happy with it. I hope you guys like it too, but this is how it looks without any product. Yeah, but check it out. Bam. Bam. I like it. I hope you guys like it too. All right. In a little bit, I'm gonna make another video and I'm gonna show you guys how to style it, okay? If you like this video, subscribe, share it to your followers, share it to your subscribers, you know, follow me on my social media, and stay tuned for more content, okay? If there's something else you guys want me to do, let me know, all right? And give me a thumbs up. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching. And I hope everybody has a great day, okay?